So the last thing we wanted to touch on today were some of the challenges and some of the considerations around integrating preference management and specifically preference centers into a very diverse organizational structure. And in every company that we've worked with at PossibleNow, there are a number of different systems that exist, whether that's a CRM, whether it's a marketing automation tool, a data warehouse, or email service providers. Significant investments have been made in both time and resources to get these types of tools launched, and they're very effective. And as you consider preference management, don't think of it as something to replace what you're doing in those areas today. Again, think of how that empowers it and makes these systems able to talk to each other and share this preference data that's very important and changes constantly. Our solution for that is My Preferences. It does serve as that central repository, that central system of record for the preference data specifically, and via web services and standard batch processing gives you the ability to make those systems communicate with each other so that they are up to date at all time. It's important to note a couple other things that attach onto that process too. There are a number of interfaces like preference centers, like CRM tools and agent interfaces that are being used where this data is fed in, but it's also important that we have a compliance engine to certify that the data that we're managing on our customers' behalf is compliant. That's looking at things like our CAN spam list for do not email, do not text, do not share, all the third-party lists that are out there for do not call as well. All those are important considerations to think about.